Good morning all, welcome back again our online electrical course. Today our course is related with safety. So every day I am explain about the electrical course, but in any kinds of work, building, project and anywhere, first priority is safety. So I will tell about the safety today. So anywhere, if you working in India, Gulf, anywhere, first you need to save. If you save, you can do work and you can do anything. But not save, this means accident will become there and you have the problem. So I am talk about safety topics, safety related topics. Okay, so today we are discussing about the safety. First, in safety, definition of safety, what is the safety? The condition of being protective from the case of danger, risk and injury. So if you save the danger, risk and injury, that is safety. Okay, so to the condition of being protective from the case of danger, risk and injury, to save you, save other person and save equipment is called safety. So everything, if you save condition and save, this is the safety. So if you enter the safety chapter inside, there is coming two things. There is coming two things. First priority is HSE and second priority is PPE. If you follow the HSE and PPE, maximum accident will be not coming in there. Okay, maximum accidents is coming with no using in PP and not follow the HSE. So what is the full form of HSE? Health and Safety Environment. Health and Safety Environment. PPE means personal protective equipment. Okay, PPE means personal protective equipment. HSC inside, what you care, what you take the knowledge about the HSC. So first you can take the knowledge of care of your health condition. First you care in your health condition. Okay, how to you can save good your body, how to you can save your body, how to no disease is coming with your body, you can care about this one. This means you can active your body every time in some exercise working, and every day morning time you can bathing. Okay, you can bathing with good and you can going in fresh air also. So this means if you make the clear of your mind, clear of your mind, and everything is clear, that means your body have not coming in any disease, not coming in any problem. Okay, so every time care of your first priority is care of your body and care of your work activities. Morning time, every morning time you get up and make the some exercise and bathing, and then after you go to your work. Okay, this is your this means in this days full day is you are good condition. If you make the like that, full day is coming good condition. Okay, and next one is provide the safe and helpful work environment all workers at site. If you go into the work inside, maximum our we are working in industrial project and power plant and building, there are so many workers in there, not in your company, other company also have. So you can make the helpful environment is there, not quarrel, not fighting. If you have any problem, solve with discussing. Okay, if big issues are coming there, you can call your foreman, supervisor, safety and control the this one. So you can make the helpful condition up there. Okay, if somebody is working in risky without safety. You inform to these guys you are working is unsafe condition. Please do the safe condition to work. And if some problem is coming, your friend, your workers, and any others, you can help. If you help, should be other person also help to you in bad condition. Okay, if you not help, this means they are not help for you. Okay, this is the system of help. Okay, you should be help the this one. Okay, so any kinds of work in inside the project and industrial area, you make the condition of helpful environment. Okay, in all workers inside. Next one, check your work area environment. First you go to site and check there. You go to and not direct start to work in your place, your working place environment. You check there have which kind of environment is there have any danger have or not have. If you can check there, if you have any problem is there, you can coordinate with your safety and engineer. And if their environment is good, have not have there have a light is available or not there, and everything is clear of work or not, you confirm this one, and then after start the work. And take the knowledge of first aid. So every project have the first aid place, first aid room. So if your friends, anybody have the some little bit injury, any problem in a small problem, you should be go to first aid room or first aid area. So there have if you have any injury, they will make the first aid for you. Every time you can put your mobile or put your pocket to first aid number also. First aid number is available in all area in your site. If not there, you can take the number of this one and put your mobile also. First aid is must be important for you. If little bit injury is there, if your little bit finger is cutting, some little bit headache, and any other, you should be go to first aid place. They have some doctors and nurses are there, and they will care to you what is the problem of you. If you have the only simple normal problem, they will make the medicine and everything for treatment for you. If not possible to there, they will refer to another good hospital and another hospital also. So be care about this one. So you can take the knowledge of first aid also. Okay, you can take the knowledge of first aid also. And these are the HSC method. If you know among these 3 or 4, so many others activities have also HSC, but in site, in project, if you working in there, if you take the knowledge of about HSC in these 3 or 4 points, this means maximum accident is not coming in your area, and you can save. Okay, you can save the this one. And PPE, next one is PPE, basic PPE for site work. What is the basic PPE in site work? So every category of work are different PPE. PPE full form is personal protective equipment. In building work, industrial area work, and project work, all workers are same PPE. Okay, and another types work need to another types PP. But in if we are going to working purpose in building and project, we should be need to 6 basic PPE. What are they? First, helmet, and second one, safety glass. Third one is coverall. Fourth one is safety reflected jacket. Fifth one, hand gloves. And sixth one is safety shoes. Basic PPE. Normally, if you work, you going to inside the work, first you need normally these 6 basic PPE. If no have you in these 6 PPE, they are not allowed to give to inside the project for you. So should be use these 6 PPE. Helmet are so many categories. Helmet has so many color and so many categories. As per color and as per people category, you can using in helmet. Suppose white helmet using for foreman, supervisor and engineer category workers, okay, and red helmet is using for firefighting person who is working with firefighting, and green is using safety or safety officer, okay. Yellow is used for, especially yellow is using for the visitors who is coming to visit for our site or project, okay. Blue and gray especially using in workers is like electrician worker, plumbing worker, mechanical worker, any civil worker, any worker using in helmet in blue and gray, okay. And safety glass, why you need to safety glass? Safety glass, you need to protect your eyes from hazard of eyes, okay. So you can using safety glass for protect your eyes. Eyes is the most important in your body. Even every parts is the most important, but this is very most important for you. If you have no eyes, you cannot see anything in your world, okay. So this is the most important part of your body. You should be care about this one. Every body part you should be care, but more care in your eyes. So eyes protect by safety glass. So safety glass is actually two types, two colors, black color and white color. Black color you can using in outdoor purpose. If you working in outside and sun shining area, that time you can using in black. And if you work inside the project or inside, you can using in white. So this is using in white. And some cutting, grinding time you should be use the safety glass, black and white, anyone with face shield also. You can using in face shield also, okay. So cutting, grinding and welding time you can using in face shield also with safety glass. And cover roll is one type of cloth which is made by full body covering, this cover full your body, okay. So this is protect your body to outside hazard, okay. So protect your body to outside hazard. And safety reflected jacket, you should be wear safety reflected jacket also, because this jacket is shining jacket, okay. If you are passing the some dark way, some everywhere have not possible to put the light in project, somewhere in some area little bit passing way also be dark there. If you passing the dark way, there is, if you using the safety reflected jacket, your jacket is shining in some color is coming there, shining is there. So other person thinks somebody is coming this way too, and that time is safe to you, okay. So you should be need to you wear safety reflected jacket also. Hand gloves you should be need use for protect your hand, protect your finger, okay. So you should be protect your finger to need hand gloves. Safety shoes you should be use, because if you not using in safety shoes, your foot is coming problem. So some trip and fall down, your foot is damaged like that. So you should be using in safety shoes also, okay. So you should be need the safety shoes also. So this is the basic PP. Okay, this is basic PP. You can check there basic PP, this one for site work. Okay, I am already talking about this one where is using for the this, and mostly in basic PP this 6 to most important PP is helmet. Okay, most important PP is helmet. So helmet is save your head for the case of danger. Okay, helmet is save your danger case. Okay, so safety helmet is one of the most important PP safety helmet which protect the under head against impact for object falling for above. So any object is falling for above in your head, that time save the safety helmet. Okay, so this is the most important. Never remove the safety helmet in your head too. And another one is safety shoes also important for you. Okay, safety shoes also important for you, and safety glasses also important for you in working time. Basic these 6 PP is required. This is the most important for you. And another also PP, another also have mask, dogs mask. We can, if the you work in dogs area, you can using in dogs mask. And noise controller. If you working in noise time, you can use earplug also PP, but this is not required, this is not mandatory as per related work. But this 6 PP is most of important of you. Okay, this is the most important of you. And next one, how to manage the safety at site. Okay, so if you have the all PP, everything is okay for you. Okay, so how to manage the safety at site. You can wearing is PP, everything. You can enter the site. So before working, you can how to manage the safety. So first priority is first, if you enter the site, you think safety is your first priority. So you can thinking safety is my first priority. So every morning time have the safety meeting. Okay, safety meeting. And safety meeting every morning have new topics, and then after complete the safety meeting, there have all workers and all safety I am talking telling safety first, like that. Okay, this means safety is first priority of you, and then after you can work. If you have safe, you can do work. If your all body parts is safe, you can strong to work. If you have any accident is coming, any body part is missing, that means you cannot possible to work there, and they will send to you, return to your home. This means problem for you, problem for your family, in this condition. So you should be take the safety first priority. And if you make the safety first priority and do the work, all your dreams is coming will with a real truth. All your dreams is coming to truth. So should be you using in safety rules and regulation. Okay, so you should be follow the safety rules. If you follow the safety rules, all your dream are coming very soon in truth. Okay, so this is the safety. So this kind of we need to safety priority. Okay, so in enter the site, first you thinking first priority is safety. First my priority is safety, I am safe, and then after work your mind is make like that. Okay, and next one, conduct daily site safety meeting. I am already told there have the daily site meeting in safety, about the safety. So you can conduct daily they are give the new topics for you. Okay, so you can using in conduct the daily site safety meeting. Use correct tools for correct work. So you can using in correct tools for correct work, not using in bypassing tools, not using not working with bypassing. Okay, not using, not work without PPE. Okay, so you can using in doing in like that. If you do like that, accident is not coming to with you. Use PPE and work. So use 6 minimum, this 6 PPE you should be used and work. If you using this 6 PPE, helmet, hand gloves, safety shoes, coverall, safety glass, this means accident is maximum accident is not coming with you. Okay, so you can using in PPE. Follow the safety rules, safety induction and rules. There have inside so many safety induction is there. You don't go there. There have some people is working overhead. There are so many signboard is there, and you can follow the signboard and safety induction. Danger area, they will make the marking like that, and you can follow. If writing is that kind, you cannot go in this area. Okay, and follow the safety rules and regulation also. Good housekeeping in your work area. So you can good housekeeping also. You can make the good housekeeping of your work area also. Okay, so you can make the good housekeeping of your work area. Okay, so this is the most important for you. Okay, if you follow in every day inside before you start the work, this means accident will be not coming in near of you. Accident is far from the you. But if you don't follow the this one, you don't care about the safety, accident will be coming in there. So if accident is coming, problem for you, problem for your family, and problem for your dream also. Okay, you cannot succeed, reach in your dream. So next one is, what is accident? What is accident? So accident do not happen, they are cause. So accident not happen without any reason. I am already told, if you don't follow the safety rules and regulation, accidents should be coming in there. So they do not happen without reason. Okay, accident is unexpected, unthought event which may result in loss the human and materials. Accident are caused due to the. Okay, so accident is, this is unexpected things. We are don't know today is coming accident. This is unexpected. If you don't follow the safety rules, this means safety accident is coming there. Okay, so this is unexpected thing. We are don't thinking about this one. Okay, accident is unexpected and unthought event which may result is loss the human and materials. So if the accident will be happen, its result is coming, maybe some your body part is damaged and some materials is losses, or maybe you also your life also lost. So this is big accident. So I hope never coming in this kind of accident in site and project. So if you not care, so the coming like that. Okay, so this accident are caused due to the. So accident, how to coming the accident? How to coming the accident? Accident are coming unsafe act and unsafe condition. If you working in unsafe act and unsafe condition, accident will be coming in there. Okay, accident will be coming in there. So unsafe act to 78% accident will be come. Unsafe act to 78% accident coming chances. Okay, so if you working in unsafe act, 78% chances to coming accident, and unsafe condition 20%. 20% chance is coming for unsafe condition, and 2% due to the God act. So 2%. This means everybody is born after they will be death. But this is 2%. This is the God. This is the system of the God. Okay, this is the system of the one God. Okay, so this is the system. So if one person is born, he will be died in after. But if you care everything in safety, this means maximum you chance to live up to the your your goal. Okay, so 78% accident coming chances unsafe act. And what is the unsafe act? Operating without ortholite. So inside there have the so many others operating system have lift have their manual lift have crane lift have you if you have don't knowledge without ortholite you operating this accident is coming in bypassing safety device. So I am if you working is bypassing safety device, you have a safety device no have, you tell this is the you think this is the small work I will work, so this accident will be coming there. Operating at unsafe speed. So every speed is inside the project they are give the vehicles speed operating speed how many speed is operating there. So if you don't follow the rules of the safety operating that time accident will become. Using wrong tools and equipment. If you using wrong tools and equipment for working time, this accident will be coming there. Unsafe placing. If you working in unsafe place, I am already told you can check in your workplace. If you working is unsafe place, that time accident will be coming. Okay, and talking unsafe position or pursuits. Okay, so if you are talking is another, you are working one side, and you can mobile to talking is another way. So this means accident will be coming there because you are don't care in work. Your mind is going to your talking person. So your working time should be focused with your work. Okay. Working on dangerous or equipment. If you working in dangerous equipment and there you can care about this one also. If you not care accident will become. Not using proper PPE. So I am already told mostly 6 PPE is need for the in work project work in workers. Okay. Unsafe condition, you if you have don't knowledge about the drill machine, grinding machine, and this one you can using this is unsafe condition equipment, and no guarded of drill machine everything, no handle of drill machine in without drill handling you can using in drill machine and grinding machine. This also coming. Okay, definite the condition of machines, equipment, tools, etc. Okay, so you can check the proper tools for proper work. Okay, you can check this one. And all poor in housekeeping, they are not to prepare places. So if you have not doing the good housekeeping, accident will be coming there. So you should be clean your working place before work start, and after finish the work you should be housekeeping in this one, and after finish the work you should be put the your balance materials into the return to store or storage in one area, not leave like that. Okay, if scrub you can throw the scrub in scrub place, and if the balance material you should be return to the store or not possible very far to store, you should be storage in one area. Okay, so this if you do like that accident will be not coming. Okay, accident will be not coming. Next one is identify the hazard in workplace. So workplace, what hazard is coming? Identify the hazard. So there have the so many hazard in workplace. Moving parts of machinery. So machinery parts. So inside workplace have in your passing area, so many areas in big building and projects, so many crane are working there. So crane machinery, crane moving parts is where to moving, you don't care this one and go there and touch there and damage also. Okay, objects laying in the passageway. So some objects is your passage, you going passage, you can check some overhead to some object is falling or not, you can check there and cross the passage. Okay, and high level sound, and if you high level is sound there, accident will be come there, because some another emergency is coming, you cannot hearing in this one. So this high level sound area you cannot work in there, you can using in ear plug also. Okay, working platform without railing. So in scaffolding platform, if you working in without railing, without out the railing of support, without support, this means accident hazard, accident will be coming. Okay, working at height. Working at height time, you cannot using in full body safety harness and some things that means you will be coming in accident. Okay, be care. Flying chips. So you, if you discussing some person and like that and don't care about this one and some careless situation, this also coming. Hot works. So hot work working time also accident will be come there, hazard is also there. So be care of this one. Hot work working time, you can using hot work PPE also. Okay, and sleeper floor. So if some floor are the water is running going on there, so you can check the your floor also. Okay, if there have, you can control the this one. Gases and chemical. Some danger gases in also site and project, chemical gases, you can working in chemical gas project also, anywhere also. So there have the danger gases and chemical, so be care about this one. If there is some smelling is coming there of danger gas, you cannot work in there, you inform to your safety officer. Okay, so you can use this one. And electrical appliance systems. So application systems. Okay, electrical system also, you can check the electrical system, your distribution board where to coming and out, what is the safe condition have or not have, you can check the this one also. And lead wire, you can take the power supply for your some activities, work activities, that time you can check your power supply cable also. Okay, hand tools, you can check your hand tools, this is perfect or not, or damaged or not, you can check this one also. Materials movement. So materials, if you put the materials is one place, this is fall down or not, or this is slipping or not, you can properly put in this. So everything, if you control the this all hazard, this means accident will be not coming in there. So if accident is not coming, you save. You save means you earn the money, you can reach your dream, and your family also happy after anywhere to work, after you return in safe condition, and all your family are happy, and you reach your dreams, and you can earn the money, and you can do anything in your life. But if you don't care about the safety rules regulation and don't follow the safety, accident will become. Accident coming, maybe your full body is damaged or your body parts will be damaged. This means if the damage of these things you cannot buy in your market. Don't possible to buy and use take the body in any body parts is don't possible to buy the market with money. So I told anytime before work first priority is safety and maintain your safety. Before going work fresh your mind. If you have the any tension, any problem of this one, first you fresh up your mind and go to inside the site and do the work. And work time don't moving your mind one thing to another thinking. Not thinking is more, only focus for work. And if you follow the works focus of work, if you use the full PPE everything, this means accident will be not come here and not come with you, save with and happy with. So today our class is according to the safety, how to coming the accident and how to control, and what is the safety, what is HSC, what is PP. We are talking about this one. So I hope all of you are watch the video. This is important video for you. Not work is not thing. Work anybody we can work in this one. No issues of work. If you one time see you can do the work, but if you don't follow the safety rules, you missing your life and your body parts. So this is the important of you. First priority is safety and then after work. Okay, be care about the safety and this video should be you watch and clear about it. If you have any doubt, please give the comments of me. Okay, thank you, wish you all the best, see you next class.